can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Helium, currently trading above $1.8. We're currently deep in the crypto bear market. Helium is down 88.3% in the last 1 year. What's our worst case scenario possibility for Helium in this bear market? How low can Helium possibly go if we start dumping to Goblin Town? Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market. We should expect all coins to dump to Goblin Town. Right now, Helium is finding support around the $1.8 region. So how low can we possibly go for the rest of 2023? Taking a look at the Helium US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Helium's performance against Bitcoin, Helium's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at Helium's market cap. Currently, Helium has a market cap of $261 million, but I've seen Helium's market cap even go below $200 million. So what's our worst case scenario for Helium's market cap if we see a big dump in the altcoin market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The altcoin market has been down in the last 1 week, even on a yearly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market. A lot of altcoins are down 50, 60. Some altcoins are even down 90% from when they were trading just over a year ago. Helium is still up 38.2% on the monthly time frame. Should we be expecting a dump to Goblin Town for altcoins like Helium, or are we gearing up for one big pump to the upside? Let me take all of these lines off. Let's redraw them again. Guys, Helium has gone through a wonderful bull run. Right now, Helium is going through one of those big bear markets. Helium, when it was launched in June of 2020, stayed rallying to higher prices. Now, Helium pumping is normal. Altcoins pumping in a bull market is normal. In a bull market, basically anything you're buying is pumping to the moon. And we saw Helium pumping by more than 19,000% to the upside. But in this bear market, Helium has dumped to Goblin Town and almost dropped to new lows, losing around 97.92% of its value. But what's the worst case scenario for Helium? We found support at the $1.15 level in this bear market. If we see a big dump in the altcoin market, how low can Helium possibly go in this bear market? Now, if we start dumping to Goblin Town, hopefully we'll find support at the $1.5 level. We have seen Helium have major reactions to that level. Right now, we're deep in accumulation zone. Right now, if you're going to be holding Helium for the long haul, you should still be accumulating deep in this bear market. We know how volatile altcoins can be. We can easily see 50% dumps in altcoins, 60% dump in altcoins. And guys, seeing those kind of big dumps in the altcoin market is actually not even something to write home about. We have seen bigger dumps in the altcoin market. Take a look at what Helium has done since when we started dumping to Goblin Town. In April of 2022, Helium went from as high as $28, dumping to as low as $6.5. And all it took was 54 days for that dump to be completed. We saw another big dump for Helium again in this bear market. We saw Helium going from as high as $8 to as low as $1.8, and it took Helium around 144 days to complete that dump. Helium went down 82%. Even in 2023, we have seen Helium pump to the upside by around 130%. But when the rally came to an end, what happened to Helium? We saw Helium dumping to Goblin Town, facing rejection around the $3.2 region. Helium has dumped to as low as $1.14. That's a 65% dump in the last 66 days. So Helium can easily dump to Goblin Town, and the key levels to watch out for after the $1.15 level will be around that $0.75 region. There's always a possibility we can come there. If you take a look at the previous videos when we're talking about Helium, that $0.75 level looks very lucrative, even from where Helium was launched. Where we're currently trading right now, Helium is still up around 603%. If we see Helium dropping back to the $1.13 level, Helium will still be up 350%. And if we get to as low as the $0.71 region, Helium will still even be up 182% from when it was launched in June of 2020. And what would be the worst case scenario for Helium getting to the $0.71 level? From the all-time high, Helium would have gone down around 98.74%, which is still normal for altcoins. We've seen a lot of altcoins dump harder than that in the bear market. And what I like altcoins that even though they dump that hard, even though we can see them lose 98 to 99% of their value, they have that ability to recover all those losses and even pump to new all-time highs in the future. If you're a long-term investor, this is where you want to be doing your accumulation from the $1.8 level to maybe as low as the $0.71 region. Hopefully we'll find the bottom there. Deep in the bear market is where you get good value for your money. Deep in the bear market is where you get 10x, 20x, even those 50x coins that will pump to the moon. Take a look at what Helium will do if we start seeing it pump from the $1.8 region back to the previous all-time highs. Helium will have to give us more than a 2,800% pump to the upside. And if Helium is going to get to as low as that $0.71 level, for it to return back to the previous all-time high, Helium will have to rally up by 7,300%. So deep in the bear market is where you want to be getting those good value for money. Deep in the bear market is where you'll be able to accumulate all coins to be able to get those 10x, 50x, even those 100x coins that will pump to the moon. Helium looks like shaping up to be one of them. Let's take a look at some details about Helium. In the last 1 year, Helium has traded for as high as $16.69. Helium has also traded for as low as $1.16. With a market cap of $262 million and a fully diluted market cap of $407 million, Helium has a maximum supply of 223 million coins with a circulating supply of 143 million coins. Currently rank 133 on coin market cap. If you want to get some Helium, you can get some on Qcoin, on Radium, on Gate.io, on OKX, on Bybit, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Helium right there. The altcoin market looks on the edge. We have seen the market pumping since the turn of the year. If you take a look at Helium's performance against Bitcoin, we are seeing it dump to Goblin Town. The last major rally we saw for it was in January of 2023. We started the year on a very bright note. We saw Helium rally up around 93% against Bitcoin. But since then, Helium has dumped to Goblin Town, losing around 74% of its value against Bitcoin. We might see Helium drop to new all-time lows in this bear market against Bitcoin. There's always a possibility. A lot of times in bear markets, we'll see all coins going to the lowest we have seen them trade in years. We've already seen Helium dump back to the levels where it was trading in January of 2021. But worst case scenario, we might see maybe a 10, maybe a 20% dump from the lows we have set right now for Helium. From where currently trading, Helium can easily lose another 50 to 60% of its value against Bitcoin. It doesn't mean we'll see the Helium USD value going down. Helium USD value can actually be staying sideways, and we'll see Helium losing value against Bitcoin if Bitcoin continues pumping to higher prices, or if Bitcoin doesn't dump as hard as Helium when we're dumping to Goblin Town. Helium during the bull run was very, very profitable. Just one Bitcoin invested in Helium would have returned more than 22 Bitcoin in less than a year. If you want to enjoy this kind of pumps in the future, you have to be willing to invest deep in the crypto bear market. If you take a look at Helium's performance against Ethereum, worst case scenario, we are already there. We're already at new all-time lows. We have seen Helium drop to new all-time lows in this bear market. Against Ethereum, Helium has lost around 94% of its value, and there's no guarantees the bottom is in. But right now, we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top. We have done majority of the hard work. We have been dumping since November of 2021. So even though we're expecting worst case scenarios, remember guys, that doesn't mean we're not accumulating, getting ready for that next big pump to the upside. The only thing is that accumulation can take a while. Bear markets are designed to be very rough. Bear markets are designed to be very painful. A lot of people are going to lose in the end. A lot of people are not going to survive this bear market. But if you survive, huge pumps are waiting for you by the end of the next bull run. Helium's market cap is telling us two different stories. We saw the bull run when the market cap was pumping to higher prices, rallying above $1 billion, even getting to as high as $5.6 billion. Going up by 14,000% in just over a year. Helium's bear market has been very, very turbulent. Helium has been dumping to gobbling town since 15th of November 2021. We have seen Helium dump to as low as $176 million on its market cap chart. Now, worst case scenario for Helium, we might see the market cap drop back to the $100 million level. That will not be out of the possibility of things that can happen. For that to happen, we see Helium giving us another 61% dump to gobbling town. We're closer to the bottom down, we are to the top. But guys, altcoins can easily give us 50-60% dump to gobbling town. Even though the altcoin season index on a yearly time frame is telling us we're in Bitcoin year, on a monthly time frame is telling us we're in Bitcoin month, on a seasonal time frame is telling us we're in Bitcoin season. In the past, buying altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season has always proved to be profitable. Are you still accumulating right now deep in the bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. And how low do you think Helium can possibly go if we start dumping to gobbling town? How low do you think we will get to if we see the worst case scenario playing out? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.